Hello! Siyempre, andito ako ulit sa aking very short vacation. Siyempre, wala akong magawa at nahila ako ang ating manager? Reservation. Nagkamali pa ako na si Ma'am Lani dito sa Amarela. Dito tayo sa Amarela, Bohol. Now, dinala ko si Lani dito para i-tour tayo around this very beautiful, parang art homey na hotel para makita natin. At siguro pag pupunta kayo ng Bohol, pwede niyo rin bisitahin ng Amarela.
Hello, good afternoon po. I'm Lani, one of the reservations. And welcome Dr. D in Amarela Resort.
So, ang Amarela is a name of somebody o bakit?
Actually a word from a Portuguese word. Means yellow. So, kaya po, you can see yung building namin is color yellow.
Yung may-ari nito, mga Portuguese o mga Filipino?
They are Filipinos po. They are retired lawyers. Attorney Lucas Nunag and Attorney Ludici Nunag. So, Attorney Lucas is really from Bohol.
So, they made this structurally because of wanting it to be a business, or yung bahay nila, kinonvert na nila talagang hotel?
Actually, they plan to make it parang bakasyonan. But eventually, they changed it into like a resort po. Yan,
ang ganda. I've seen, Lani, a bit of it, no? Sabi ko nga sa iyo kanina when we were talking backtrack, it's like deja vu. I think I visited this before when I was doing some lectures, no? But ikaw na lang mag-tour sa amin. I-tour mo kami around this beautiful establishment. Let's go! So, saan tayo pupunta?
We'll go upstairs po. I'll show you one of our rooms.
So, yung may-ari nito, hindi na sila pumupunta dito? Or they just...
Hands-on po sila, sir.
Okay.
Talagang tumutulong po sila sa operations.
Okay, So pagtitingnan natin, Lani, no, there's a lot of religious artifact that is hanging around. I'll show them here sa hotels. No, these are their collections.
Yes. We call this urna, or like an altar, usually found in every houses in residence. Because actually Amarela is, the theme of Amarela is Old Bohol.
Old Bohol.
So that's why you can see
a lot of old stuff.
Hardwood, artifacts, and actually some parts of the resort comes from the old houses, and they just integrated it in the resort.
Okay, so it's like a fusion of modern and old architecture.
So this is our main library, where our guests can borrow books and DVDs. That's free of use.
Okay, so these are also collections of the owner. Collection nila. Very extensive, oh.
So I'll show you our...
Pag tiningnan mo, Lani, no, para silang sabi nga Portuguese, so very Spanish rin ang dating, di ba? So, yung mga collection nila is like dito o dinala nila from ibang bansa or mga travels nila?
Dito po talaga. Mostly mga artists from Bohol.
So yun ang maganda. Yun kasi mga nakikita ko dito, parang dito gawa, no? Hindi talaga yung abroad na dinala papunta dito. Okay. So, what is significant? Ito pinakamaganda. Pakita natin, Lani. This the view. Ang ganda from the top. Tapos, explain mo bakit may seahorse.
Yes, po yung Amarela, they use seahorse because early, there are like divers. We have a dive site in this area. They see seahorse. So we are identified that there are like pygmy seahorse found in front of Amarela. So that's why they use that's part of the logo.
Amarela. So parang nila, parang pinaka marker or logo, no? ang seahorse. Yan. Dito tingnan natin from here, Lani. Okay, you have a nice view of the houses. Dito kaya para makita nila. Pag tiningnan mo yung houses, Lani, di ba? Parang may modern, tapos may touch ng mga ano, di ba? Local wood.
You can actually see the window panes.
Yes.
They come from an old house.
Okay.
So, you just
Tapos yung kulay. Sabi mo yung kulay? The color of that is what? The parang ano, pastel yellow or something. Di ba hindi sinasabi mo kanina yung kulay ng amarela?
Yeah. Amarela came from the word amarelo. In Portuguese word, it means yellow. Oo. So parang ganun ang kulay. Ayun. Tinuturo ko guys. Nakikita mo. That's why. Oo. So, ganun na talaga. Kasi yan, tinuturo ko ngayon. Bahay yan dati. O talaga structurally ginawa yan, Lani, para sa resort. That's a structure for resort.
Hindi siya yung talagang bahay-bahay. Oo. So, yung itong tinatapakan natin, mas bahay-bahay ito. O hindi rin?
Design din po siya for resort. Pero, yun na nga, parang makaluma. Parang bahay-bakasyonan lang natin.
Oo. Tingnan natin, tinamot, Lani, ha? You have a pool there. Dito ka para makita. Para yan. They have a pool there. Tapos, meron beach. No. Tapos, inintegrate nila ang mga plants. Mga bonggambilya ba yan? Oo, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Maraming plants dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oo. Tapos, later on, dyan, tinuturo ko. Meron dyan gallery house. Pupuntahan natin ni Lani. Bakit, ganyan ang fusion ng may-ari? Is that because gusto nilang halaman rin? Gusto nila rin na beachfront? Tapos may swimming pool para sa guests? Ganun ba?
Yes po. They want to maintain the new nation.
So,
although we are a resort po, gusto nila i-keep pa rin yung
homey.
And then yung i-preserve pa rin po yung area. Because actually, when they built the resort, they keep the plants, the trees po.
Yes, kasi pag titingnan mo, Lani, parang pwede naman yan i-modify. 'Di ba? Feeling ko kasi pwede siyang i-modify, pero parang ganyan lang siya, parang yung bahay nga yung pag ikaw kunyari meron kang sariling personal na resort na hindi mo pinaparent sa mga client, parang ganun lang siya, no? Yung parang simple but very basic, very homey. All right. So bababa na tayo, Lani. Okay.
I'll show you our gallery.
Sige, baba na tayo. Dami kasi mga section ito. Saan na tayo, Lani?
So, this is our boardroom. So, if you have guests, small group, was a seminar, or like
meetings.
They can use this place.
Free?
With an extra charge.
Extra charge. So, this is for like walk-in lang, not necessary for in-house, not necessary those who will be checking in.
Should be in-house guests.
They should be in-house check-in guests. Look at the mga fans. Very antique. Diba? Ito, mamahalin. Orlino.
Yes.
Diba? Oo. Yan. Ito, very nice, balcony ng, parang papunta tayo sa kitchen, no? Yes. Diba, Lan? Ito yung, nila, restaurant. Kasi dito ako kumain. Oo. Alam niyo yung pagkain nyo, ang sarap. Oo, mawiwindang. So, ang restroom natin, ang restaurant. Pakita natin, Lani, yung restaurant. So, lahat ng mga mga tables and are all local.
Yes,
Wood.
Hardwood. We call this molave.
Molave. This is very common in Bohol. But that's not expensive, no? When you buy it in Bohol.
We are not allowed to cut molave already kasi ma-prison po.
Oo. So, mga ano na to, parang antique na rin ito, no? Okay. So when you are in the restaurant, you get a view of the very nice beach. Yan. And the whole facade of the resort. Okay. Sunrest, Lani, yan ang kitchen nyo.
Yung bar.
Bar. Oo. Tingnan nyo. Lahat talaga, may mga wood, mga parang display, no? Maganda. Diba? Andyan sila. Siyempre, nagtatago na. So, may seahorse pa rin. No? So, ngayon, bababa tayo sa
Art gallery.
Art gallery. Sige. Ikot tayo. This is very nice, ha. Lani, pakita ni Imo. Naku, nagbisaya. Yung bridge. Yan. Oo. Look, there is... diba? Tingnan mo. Parang magpipictorial lang si Lani. May bridge. Saan ka makakita ng ganyan? Parang London Bridge. Ayan. So, to the second floor. Yeah. You see? Tinuturo ni Lani yan. Yan ang gallery dyan. Dyan tayo bababa. Nako. Makikita mo kung anong laman yan. Ang ganda. I did an ocular na kanina dyan. Pinakialaman ko na Lani yan. So, yung sinasabi nating mga may-ari nito, happy naman sila na na-establish nila ito at nasi-share nila yung kagandahan ng nila, resort sa Kasi may iba kasi parang, ayaw namin. Oo.
Kasi hands-on talaga sila dito sa operations.
Mm-hmm.
So, kaya alam nila yung in-and-out.
Sila rin ba yung designer nito o may kinuha sila mga arkitekto?
May mga architects pa sila, pero with their help din.
Ito maganda to sana sa gabi, May picture na ako dyan, Hindi ko lang alam kung may ilaw dyan sa gabi. Yan, yung walkway na yan. May ilaw, no? Yung mga gilid, kailangan lagyan niya. Di ba pinakialaman ko? Akin ba to? So, ito, dahil mahilig ako sa art, alam mo ba yan, Lani? Nakita ko yung mga painting dyan. Hala. Sabi ko, ang ganda. Tapos meron siya mga mga crafts, no? Wood crafts, mga ganon. Pinaghalo-halo niya. But you can see also the taste of local kasi pagbungad pa lang ng pinto, may tarsier. Pakita mo. Ayan. Pasok tayo. Ayan. Kita mo. Ayan, Mag-hello na sa iyo ang tarsier. Hello. Ito pinakamaganda, Lani. Pakita mo yan. Look at that. Yung design. Look at that. Look at that. So beautiful.
These are actually gabi leaves.
Gabi leaves.
Gabi leaves ko na pinaturn ko sa sa cement.
Okay. So, dito sa Amarela Gallery, yan, pasok na tayo. Sabihin mo sa akin, napakaganda. Are these their collection? Yes. They are not for sale.
There are own collections of the owner.
Okay, Bakit nila pinapakita? Let's go in. Bakit nila pinapakita? Para mainggit ka? Ganon?
Welcome to the art gallery po. These are all collections of the owner. So most artists are all locals from Bohol. So major contributor are on this side of historical paintings.
Yeah.
Is Mr. Sherwin Tutur. And on this left side, which is the heritage of Bohol.
Yeah.
If you're familiar with Amor Solo?
Yeah.
Nene Dungay, the artist, is one of his students.
Of Amor Solo. Like, where is the student of Amor Solo?
Well, we have a portrait of Miss Nene Dungay.
These are very, very old paintings. Ayan. This is the, student of Amor Solo. Yeah. So, marami dito gawa niya, Lani. Okay. Depicting, parang colonization ng Spanish, no? Oo. Yan. Tapos itong mga muebles, ganun rin, Bohol rin, mga collection rin, 'di ba? Kasi dito makikita natin, Lani, ayun yung mga, I think they're very religious. When you look at them, Oo.
Most of the houses, they have still like an altar, we call it urna. Then we have the triptych, the one with the golden.
Hindi ba to sa mga simbahan o ano?
Sa mga houses po talaga.
Sa houses ng ano, ng mga antique ano. Kailangan may ganyan.
Parang because we are like religious and
Oo.
same with different provinces.
Alright. So ito ang ano, sabi ko Lani, ito mga painting na ano, na strike ako. Ito una, tapos pangalawa ito. Wow.
Actually, these paintings really have a history of Bohol. Prior to the arrival of the Spaniards, we are headed by two brothers. They are already made
Twins.
They're not twins. But
They look alike.
Yes.
Sabi ko nga kanina, hindi kaya kamukha siya ng may-ari?
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Kasi may iba kasi, di ba, ini-incorporate Lani, di ba, yung mukha nila doon. Hindi naman,
Hindi naman po.
Oo.
So, they are already making commerce and trades, barters with other Asian countries.
Sino ba artist nito?
Sherwin Tutur.
Oo. Taga Bohol.
Yes, he's an artist.
Ano? Oo, magaling na artist. Ayan, Sherwin Tutur. Diba? Ayan, tapos dito tayo. Ayan, lahat ito sa kanya. Ayan,
Yes.
oo.
This is like we call it sigat or punishment.
Oo.
So this happened when one of the Asians looked eye to eye directly with the concubine. So it's not allowed actually to look directly to their concubine. So they are punished by slicing the nose.
Oh my gosh. Oo, mahirap pala. Oh. So here we have all the native products. Oo,
On your right side, these are used in the kitchen. This is how we use for making sikwate or like a chocolate drink. So this shell, we use it for grinding the cacao. And of
See,
course,
these are all ano sa Bohol Baterol. Okay. Oh, sana tayo. Ang ganda.
This is one of our rooms po. One of our biggest rooms in Amarela.
So alam nyo na, parang ganyan ang mga kwarto namin. Oo. Nakita nyo, ang ganda. Kasi lagi nila sinasabi pag mga ganyan, Lani, ang mahal. Di ba? Mahal ba? Ngiti ka na lang. For affordable.
Affordable.
Oo. For a place like this. So, ano ang pag tiningnan mo yung room niya kasi ayan, maraming wood. Tapos yung design ng decor ng panel nila, 'di ba? Very lattice. Very this is very Boholano. Oo. Ano bang modern na lang dito? Parang lahat kasi parang tingnan mo. Meron pang pambata sila, oh. Diba?
So,
Ganda.
this is modern.
Oo. Ayan na nga, modern, oh. Siyempre, andyan yung walang kamatayang, seahorse. Oh, tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, ayan. Diba? Ang ganda. Diba? So, like this one, Lani, this can fit a family.
Yes, po. It can fit a family of 4, so parents, 2 adults and 2 kids. Or actually, it can accommodate 4 adults.
Oo,
For
for
this
adults.
room.
So, pwede na siya.
Yes, we just set up an extra bed.
Oo. So, affordable. Mamaya, i-PPM natin sa inyo. Sasabihin na lang sa akin ni Lani. Oh, meron siyang prayer room.
Sa powder.
Powder room. Parang prayer room kasi, no? Oh, yan. Okay. So, this is most of the time, ito yung mga kwarto. Kasi yung kwarto ko parang ganyan din, di ba? Oo. So, andito na kami. Naglakad-lakad kami ng ilang kilometro. Andito na kami ni Lani. O, nakaya ni Lani. Ang galing, no? Ngayon, pagyayabang niya lahat ng awards. O, sige, pakita mo, isa-isa.
So, this is the Hall Famer po. From the ASEAN Green.
Bakit ASEAN Green? Ano ba yan?
Since we are awarded 3 times already for the ASEAN. So we are now considered as a Hall of Famer po.
Wow. So this is international.
So, yes.
Yan, pakita natin.
So 3 times.
So ano ka? When you say ano ba ang criteria ng ano? Ibig sabihin, may maganda siya, hindi siya malinis, may eco-friendly, gano'n?
Yes po.
Oo.
Ano po? Parang ultra award.
Kailangan may ilaw dito, oh. Itong amarela mo. Ito, oh. Ayan, ayan. Oh. Na-highlight na yung yellow. Papakita daw niya yung awards. Oh, saan ka?
These are our different awards po. Aside from the Sayan Green that I mentioned before, so we received already 3 times. The one is on the other side. Also the Anahaw. So we also have the Gawad Tugas and the Zero Carbon Resort.
Ayan, ang ganda, ang daming award. Oo. Diba? Sikat, diba? So pag ano pa ang okay, before we end this, ano pang gusto ma-achieve ng Amarela?
Actually,
besides the awards, besides na marami yung dumami pa ang guests nyo, ano pa bang makilala pa lalo, ma-appreciate?
Yes po. Aside from, of course, introducing the resort from not only locals but also international. What we have here in Amarela is we also sharing it to other resorts that they want to know about our green practice or like the one that showed you yung wastewater.
Yeah, wastewater and recycling.
The owner is actually open to share it with other resorts. So
that's good.
Because we all, like, well, most of the resort naman, but this is our own compost pit.
So, mas maganda yun.
Waste management.
Ayan. Oh. So, invite mo na sila, Lani.
Hello, po.
Sige.
We are inviting you to visit us here in Amarela. And we are open full year-round.
So, I'm here again, Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist. Siyempre, kala nyo kanina background na yung boses ko. Siyempre, kailangan pasikatin natin. Hindi, actually, sikat na si Lani. Oo. So, again, your position here is?
Reservations po.
Yan. Reservation. So, alam niyo na kung sinong sisip-sipin nyo. Hindi, kasi si Lani will take care of you. Lani has been very generous in giving me a tour around Amarela. I'm very happy because busy kasi yan eh. Nahugot ko lang ito. Sabi niya mga staff niya. Oo, sabi niya, ano ba ginawa mo, Dr. Lee? Ang galing-galing mo. Anyway, again, I like to invite all my friends. I will put this in my YouTube channel. And of course, I like to thank Lani and the rest of the staff here for a starting good accommodation kasi ilang days pa ako dito eh. Oo. And you'll be amazed how the place is very well kept and very cultured, not only with history but also with the history of Bohol in itself. So again, this is Dr. Joseph Lee, your friendly urologist, and
Lani po.
Saying pumunta na kayo sa Amarela.
Hintay po lang po.
Yan!